how to change country on Shopify. I'm going to show you two ways. So for this, we want to focus on the left hand side, and here we want to click on settings. So the first way is by going to locations, and right here we can change the shop location itself. So if we just click right here, then we can choose a country region and fill in all of this information, address, zip code, so on and so forth. You can change it like this. And if you want to sell internationally, then what you have to do is go to markets, and right here we can click on international and add international markets here. So for example, like this, and we just have to activate it by clicking on this drop down menu, and we click on activate. Now those are two ways of how you can actually enable, and you can also click on this 209 countries / regions are not in your market. So if we click on here, then we can just check all of these and we can add to market. That's how you change country on Shopify. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.